Hello and good morning. Welcome to an Avatar how-to screencast. Today I'm going to show you how to add the parcel layers to Avatar Camera. And to get started, you first need to know where your shape files exist. These are files you should get from the company that performs your tax map changes every year. And there's a handful of files that we call shape files. They look like this. You should have a DBF file, and this holds the information for each parcel. So you should have a column. When you open it up, you should have a column that has a PID field that matches the 18-digit numbers you'll see on the PID field in Avatar Camera. And there might be other columns, but we only care about the PID column. I'll close that out. There will be a projection file, which you don't really need to know about, but they exist with the shape files. And there's the shape file itself. It actually holds the information for each parcel shape. So we'll close that out. But you need to know where those exist in order to add those to the map tab. And you should load them onto your file if they come on a CD. The first thing we need to do is to log in. Oops, caps lock. Alright, and now that we're logged in, we're now going to go to the map tab, and we're going to double click on this message here. And this is the map settings. So this is where you're going to locate your parcel shape files. So we're going to click this three-dot button, and we're going to go to where your shape files currently reside, which for me is mapping shape export. There you go. So you'll notice it only shows the one file, but all the other files are still there. But Avatar Camera only cares about this one file currently. So we're going to say open. And then this is where you want to find the field that these PIDs are going to link to. So that would be the PID field that we showed earlier. And just to make sure, if your fields aren't well labeled, you can hit the question mark, and it's going to show you a sampling of that column, so you can check to make sure that they are indeed the 18-digit PIDs. And then we can hit OK, and it's going to say you're going to need to exit and restart. So we'll do that. Oops, close. We'll exit, and then we'll restart. It might take a little while to restart at first, because it's now taking the shape files and making those connections to the PID and the shape files for Camera. So now if you click on your map tab, you'll see that there's a map present. And if we go to map legend, you'll see the parcels layer. And just to make sure we work here, and there we go. And you can see it updates, and if we do a ID check, you can see it changes the information, and we can go and look at the building information for that. And that's how you add the parcels layer to Avatar Camera. And you do have to do this for each computer. And you can load the shapefiles locally, or you can add them to a town server, and everyone looks at that same file. In the next screencast, we're going to show you how to theme the layers, so that we can change the colors and whatnot. Alright, see you then. Bye.